To negate or deny. Not sure, not ready, not possible. I'm not sure about the meeting time. She's not ready for the test yet. It's not possible to finish the project today. To express a negative statement. Not like, not agree, not interested. I don't like horror movies. He doesn't agree with the new policy. She's not interested in joining the event. To indicate contradiction or opposition. Not only, not just. It's not only about money, it's about values. He's not just a great singer, but also an actor. She didn't not even apologize for her mistake. To emphasize a strong negation. Not at all, not really, not much. I don't like that idea at all. I'm not really sure about the decision. There's not much I can do to help. To form negative questions or requests. Not do, not want, not go. Why did you not do your homework? Do you not want to join us for lunch? She decided not to go to the party. Common collocations with not. Not yet, not now, not anymore. I have not yet received the email. It's not now, maybe later. He's not anymore working with us.